PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Is it awkward, right? Passing through, right? Why serve like this? See if he's reacting to the second one, right? Pay attention to the body shot. Also, the left side spin goes out. What's the second reaction like? The first one, if you use your right foot, you'll feel far from your body. If you switch to your left foot, it will consume more time. So, that's why this point feels awkward, right? Why did he use his forehand to receive? The middle position, right? Why serve in the middle, slightly to the forehand side? If I serve to the so-called middle, actually, when it bounces back, see where the left side spin goes. It goes to that side, right? So, that's why. Actually, after he jumps up, is he still on the middle line? He's already reached his backhand position. Is this in-between point the most comfortable spot? After the short angle, where do I serve next? I serve to the middle, slightly to the forehand. Does it just curve nicely? After jumping up, did it just reach the middle line position? Do you think he can handle this spot well? What does he need to do? So, I serve here. Finally, since he served the previous ball, he doesn't dare to move too early. So, after jumping up, for the ball in the middle, did he switch to the forehand to receive? As soon as he received, I'll wait for him here. Right, didn't it break a bit? Chase the long ball. Why did I start by serving you a long ball to chase? Because this area is your blind spot. What does blind spot mean? He receives the serve. First, he definitely focuses on the short ball. Right now, what do people do when receiving serves? If the flip is not good, they control it again. So, first your focus is on the short ball. You try to flip it. It's like you always try to move your right foot in. At this point, are you facing the table directly? You step in halfway. So, I serve the first ball. If I serve a backhand long ball first, but when it's a backhand long ball, actually, the difficulty is relatively lower. It's not that difficult to handle with a forehand. But serving here, handling a forehand is not that hard, right? So when I serve short, I will never make it comfortable for you. I either jam you a little closer, or make you reach out. I absolutely won't serve to your hand. Even occasionally a forehand short. I won't add side spin. If I serve a forehand short like this, does it become a comfortable ball again? It looks like a big angle, but isn't the left side spin, the forehand turning inward like this, until it turns in? Right, wasn't it like that just now? Look, it seems like I'm serving with a big angle. Isn't the curve perfectly there? Isn't it right where you can reach? So it's not awkward anymore. What should you do then? So many people serve this left side spin. Suddenly serving forehand short never includes side spin. He serves like this. Why does he serve like that? Either it becomes a small spin or not. Or what else? Adding a little hook. Where is it going? It's served this way, right? When it lands, it drifts out. It went out. See, it's awkward again, isn't it? What if I serve like this? Still awkward, and where is it going? It goes inside. Isn't it perfectly where you can reach with your hand? At this spot, for example, always making him feel awkward. Leaning in this position, when he comes down, feeling pressured on both forehand and backhand until his focus shifts to the long pimple side. Because when he receives serve, he focuses on the short pimple side. At this moment, if you target his backhand side, won't the effect be better, right? Because his attention is on the long pimple side. You can go for his forehand side because his focus is on the long pimple side. When initially receiving the serve, he is definitely focused on the short pimple side. So, now his attention has a blind spot. You start serving to the long pimple side. Wait until he notices it. Now his attention is drawn to the long pimple side. Begin targeting the long sides.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.